simple DIY face mask without any sewing. All you need is either a bandana or a 20 by 20 inch piece of fabric that you can cut from anything, and 2 rubber bands. So first you're gonna spread out your bandana or your piece of cloth, preferably cotton. You're gonna fold it in half, and then fold it in half just so you can make a crease, because you're gonna fold it into thirds. So fold it into thirds at the middle. You have the basic shape of your bandana now, so what you need to do now is to put the 2 rubber bands on the 2 ends. Got one side, and now we're doing the other. So now you're gonna fold in the 2 sides and try to tuck one into the other so it doesn't unfold. It may not look the prettiest, but it's gonna help protect you, and when you go out, they do need you to wear a mask now, so in a pinch, this will be a good helper. And there you go. You may need a little bit of adjusting, but it'll work in a pinch.